Today we are going to remove this house or break the house. In today's vlog, I am going to share our last moment at the fish pond, and we are going to demolish the fish pond house. La 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 la! Oopsie. Big one.
Dako.
So hey guys, I am now here at the fish pond, and today we are going to remove this house or break the house to relocate to the cocoa farming. And actually my cousin left the pond a few months before we know. He didn't tell me that he was not doing any fish farming anymore. So right now we are going to break the house and move to the coconut farming or vegetable farming area in my parents' land. At least that land we are not renting. My mom own it, so it's better so that we don't have contract expiration. So anyway, I am cleaning right now. It's so messy and it's so dusty. That's why I'm wearing some mask. Today will be the last time we will be here at the fish pond. And this month is the contract expiration. We enjoyed our 2 years of fish farming. We learned a lot, experienced the whole process, be able to eat delicious seafood, and many more. It's so sad to see the house demolition. We have a lot of memories here. It seems like the 2 years goes really fast. We're gonna miss fish farming for sure. Of course, the seafood, the wind, because it's not really windy back home. That's why it feels so hot all the time. Ganito na naman sa Banao.
Oh.
So we're now eating some. This is fish, sour fish, fish adobo.
Fish stew.
Well, I don't know, but that's inununan. This is our corn grits, and then they are eating some.
Ang mga Bisaya rin.
Pagi.
Pugi.
Stingray ba na siya sa English. Bon appetit. I only hired 2 workers, which are my cousins, and then the whole family is helping. It's going to take 2 days to finish the demolition, and then we are going to sleep here using tents. Nadada lang na dito, yan na ikarga. Sama na. That's heavy. La 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 la.
Mampo mo na.
Hi. Oh my kulay. Saan kanin nila dito? Saan man ninyo di sa hagdan?
Joker nito.
May pa isabit ninyo dito. Hugno niya na.
Man.
Isip-isip.
Yes. Dugol nyo.
Ito ng bildo eh. Oopsie.
Hangit. Tulog ito nga.
Ay! Okay, so this is our path. This is scary in person, guys. In the camera, it looks like regular bridge. but in person it's very slippery. And then we're going to bring this one to the house. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna go there because I can't climb in this ladder or like a small bridge. So we're gonna put that one in the truck, ready teddy, and then come back and then get another one. And this one is a bit scary because it's very slippery. Okay, so let's go back. Careful, Chriselle. And then let's go. You have to put your foot in this side so that it won't be slippery. Then again in this side. Ta-da! Okay, go. And this is our bridge. This is how we walk in this bridge. I am light, so it's easier for me, but if you're heavy, then there's gonna be a problem. Goodbye fish pond. So right now we are removing this net as well because we are going to bring this one. Hi. Few weeks ago we removed the net in this area, here and here and here, because we use it at my sister's house like a fence. Actually, I'm a bit sick right now, guys. I have a runny nose, a very bad runny nose, but today is already scheduled, so I came here, and of course I need to be here while they are breaking the house, taking everything here, because I am going to video also. So yeah, I'm supposed not to come here, but this is already scheduled and we can't postpone it because we already booked the workers because it's weekend and my cousins no school, also Samantha, so that sis can help us also here. I feel like I have a lot of flame in my this one and this one. I'm not sure, so hopefully I feel better because we are going to sleep here tonight and then continue the work tomorrow because we can't finish this work today. And of course we are going to transport the wood also to our to my house. I also have runny nose and sore throat. Okay, so hopefully I get better pretty soon. They have some oyster right here at this bamboo. Look how big are the oysters, guys. See? And then they're grilling the oyster as well here. And then we have some vinegar with chili. Oh.
Yummy. Dagko na sila long.
Ooh. So that and my cousins went fishing. It's a big pot.
Tulang mo.
Ano, isda na po.
Napidakan na po na sila long. Tula taron.
Wow. Iganahan sila eh. Wow, they catch a big one.
Dako.
Ano po do? Suloy-suloy.
Ini. Suloy. Salasa na.
Salasa?
Lusot pa. Murag on ba no kanang ulang. Murag.
Sister is sleeping here. So we're sleeping here around 8 a.m. And right now it's very sunny. And last night we were doing tent. There we have 3 tents here. And right now they're having some oyster again. Kanay, buka naman po na.
Bukal bay, baon na bay.
Basta yung bukal mana.
Babalo na na.
Init. So ba na uwi na? Okay, so this is the house looks like right now. We removed the wood because we're going to transfer this wood to the farm area. Oh, careful, there's a lot of nails right there. If it's gonna stick in your foot, it's gonna be dangerous. Look. Okay. So while they're doing like this, breaking the house, we're going to get some shell right now because it's low tide and they're gonna do the work, and then Dad and the girls go to the low tide area to take some shells. Okay, so this is the house looks like right now. It looks nice. Right? It's so bright. Yeah, so this is the wood that we are going to bring home. Some of this are very useful, like this here and also here. So we can use this one. Hi Sisi, hi Momai. So they're picking some shell in the pond. That one. It's very small in the camera, but I'll show you once they get here. And it's very muddy. And of course, they live in the mud, guys. Bantugan nag-ilis siya kay damak mapuday ni siya di ay. Actually guys, in this side, I can't see them. But once you're in there, you can see them. The shell. Ooh. Murag walay manguha diri sa sulod, no? Okay, so I'll go find my own also. I'll go find some shell. I am so haggard right now, so I don't want to show it to you. What happened to my booty? I decided not to show it to you guys. I was earlier digging some shell and then some oyster. I'm so haggard and it's like so messy, so I just decided not to show it. And I have here some cut on my foot. Look, this one. I didn't know I hurt myself earlier. It was bleeding. Then when I saw it bleeding, I just noticed that I have a cut on my foot. These are the oysters, so we're going to wash it later. Then after that, we're going to put some seasonings and vinegar and something. So we have a lot right here. Shells. Yes. Okay, nice. Okay, so we are ready to go right now. The ready toddy is full packed. We are going to go home, and then Dad and then my cousin's gonna come back here to pick up some of these wood, and then hopefully I can start doing the vegetable planting project. Yay, let's go. The squad is here. Almost done. Right now, me and my cousins are the ones working while the others sending the wood to the house. It took 3 trips to send all of the wood back home. That's a lot of wood, but not all used wood are still useful. We brought everything and left nothing. We are going to use this wood also to build farmhouse because that's my new project. And vegetable farming. We're almost done right here, and then we're going to carry all of these wood right here to the truck, and then we're good to go. Okay, so this is the last batch of the wood at the fish pond, and look at this. It's very big right now. Ta-da. Okay. So we're gonna transport these bamboo and wood to the cocoa farm. Hello, good morning. Yeah, open package ta. Go get your tablet, B. Go get the tablet. Ito tablet. So I decided to buy new case because look at this. It's so ugly right now. Look. And that one. Wow, Sophia, what did you do? Pwede naman yung casing na ako. And also here, it's cracked. And this one is cracked. So let's change this. Yeah, excited? Yay! There you are. No! This one. Open. That's the case. Hooray. Suman!
Mommy, Awa.
Kana kanilumdum na siya, oy.
Hi, Pia.
Sophia understand that. Remember that in the past video, I hit my foot here. And then she tell me right now that go away, mommy, because someone's gonna open the door. Something like that. Ta-da! We have some clear glass for your tablet, Sophia. Let's put it later. Oh my gosh. Wipes, B? Go get wipes, Sophia. Tara, go get your... Thank you. Nabutan yun na akong baby. Oy, my baby is so smart. Good girl. Go get tissue. Wait, go get tissue. Tara, tissue there. Next to laptop, yes. No. Tissue.
Tissue.
Yay! Oy, it's so nice! Silly Sophia.
I miss you.
Let's try. Wow! Lah, isuda na ba di matang-tang ani oy?
Wow.
Yay! That's very thick. Wait lang. I-show them. That's very thick one, guys. Look. Shh. Show them. Show your tablet to them.
Yes, sure.
Na. Yay! You like that, Sophia? Okay. Okay, let's open this one. This is mine. This is human nature. I have facial wash, cleanser, and cleansing oil, sunflower beauty oil.
I look at that.
What? Okay, so we decided not to change the glass. And when you stand up that one, like this, Sophia, oh. Stand.
Okay.
Wow! Agoy!
Kuha na ni ay, dili ka na unsa lang. Wala na ko'y tablet.
Nanay no tablet. Nanay wants the tablet, Sophia. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye, everyone.